Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new, please subscribe and join the #GrowTech squad. And if you're not new, thank you so much for clicking to watch my new video. I hope you stay till the end, and please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Let's get to 30 likes, and yeah, thank you. So as you can see from the title, I'll be doing a chit chat get ready with me. I'll just be updating you guys on why I've been away for 2 weeks and my life, and yeah, so let's get started. And my earrings, they are from African Spice. Check them up on Instagram. I'll leave all their details down below so you can order for yours as well. Like, they have different fabrics, different prints and stuff. So yeah, anyways, let me get started. So I'm done with my brows now, and let me just start talking. I finished my A-levels on the 15th of June. If you follow me on my Instagram, you will definitely know this. So yeah, I was in college. That's why I didn't upload for 2 weeks, but I uploaded a video before this one. So if you've not checked that out, please check it out. I studied English A-levels, Sociology A-levels, and Law B.Tech. So I had exams, and yeah, the exams went well, to be honest. Apart from the fact that our Sociology paper 3 got leaked and we had to do a reserve paper, but hopefully everything goes well. By the way, all the products I'm using, I'll leave them in the description box below or on the screen. But if it's not on the screen, then it will definitely be in the description box below. Anyways, we're priming my face now. So I spent 2 years in college. If you guys are in America, like, college in the UK is different from college in America. College here is after high school, and you start college around when you're 16 to 18 years. And then after college, you can go to uni or do apprenticeship. So college experience for me was it was pretty cool. I met some really nice people, especially Esther, Melissa, Tanvi, so many people. And the teacher I had, Mali, shout out to you. She's not going to watch this, but she was actually pretty good. And my English teacher as well, my law teacher, they were all nice. They were all nice people. So now that college is over, I have like June, July, August, September, like 4 months holiday. So during that time, I'm going to work, obviously, and then I'll focus on my blogging. If you guys don't know, I have a blog, www.smotivates.com. I'll link everything in the description box, so please check it out and join the mailing list to get exclusive content. Wink wink. So my blog is all about basically what I do on my channel, but like, obviously blogging and YouTubing are two different things. So it's mainly about motivation. Whoa, that pigment, oh my god. It's mainly about motivation, and I do lifestyle, so like skincare routine and beauty and stuff like that. And also I'm focusing a bit more on my YouTube channel as well, because I need to get to 2K this summer. I'm currently at 1,500. I really need to get to 2K subscribers. So the following, when you're watching this video, it's gonna be the following week. So I'll be doing like a 7-day YouTuber makeup challenge. It's like I look for 7 YouTubers and then I recreate one of their looks. So I'll do each person a different day. So if you guys know or want to suggest anybody for me, kindly tag me on my Instagram, or you can DM me their names or leave their comments or leave their names down below, and I'll be sure to look at them. And I'll also make sure it's something I can do, because yeah. And also this summer I want to improve my makeup game. Like, you know, I can't be doing the same thing all the time. I want to play with colors more, and I'll just give you guys more content. So I'm done with the eyes, and I'm going to move on to my face now. Let me just clean this up. That was not the smartest thing to do because I put primer already. Wow, Esther. So concerning my YouTube channel, concerning YouTube as a whole, there's so many people I look up to. Like, I have so many favorites. I have Tony Olaoye, Jackie Aina, Patricia Bright. There's just so many people that are doing great, beautiful things. Even small YouTubers as well. Like Sarah right now, she's doing 30-day makeup challenge. Like, wow. Imagine having to put on makeup like every single day, and the looks she has been doing so far, they've been so amazing. Like, this video is not about her, but I just have to appreciate what she's doing, because me doing it once in a while, I know what it takes. But there's so many amazing small YouTubers out there as well. Like, that's why I dedicate a whole video to shout out some people that I know that, yes, that these people are doing amazing and they deserve more, what's the word, more oh god, more exposure. There we go. They deserve more exposure than they're getting. Yeah, the foundation is darker than my skin, but we're gonna make it work. Yeah, so as I was saying, this year I just want to play with more colors when it comes to makeup. Like, as a dark skinned, there is not enough, like, we're used to like golds and stuff like that, golds and browns, but I want to do oranges and purples and bright pink and blue, electric blue. So I just want to experiment with that. And this summer as well, I will be holding my very first giveaway, so please make sure you're subscribed. And on my Instagram, I'll be doing a poll to make sure that I give you guys something that you actually want, and something that'll be suitable to both male and female, because I know it's not just girls that watch my channel. So let me just see what's next. So I'll be giving you guys vlogs as well, like vlogs, and some more lifestyle videos and some more fashion videos, because my fashion videos do very well. That shows that you guys actually want fashion videos. So yeah, what's next? I'll just be living my best life, basically, according to my last video, which you could have watched before you watch this one. I was talking about how to live your best life. My lips are so dry right now. It was about how to live your best life. So, like, literally this summer I just want to live my best life before school starts again. Also, I'm gonna take a gap year. A gap year just means that I'm not going to go to uni for a year, and in uni I want to study. Okay, I've always wanted to study law, like since when I was like 7-year-old or something. But you know, as you grow older, you find new hobbies. Wow, my brush is broken. You know, as you grow older, you find new hobbies, you find new things to do and stuff. I'm no longer interested in studying law. I know, like, ever since I started my YouTube channel, I found out that, oh my god, the English is so hard. I found out that I love, like, editing videos and doing stuff like that. So I just want to study something that I'm actually going to enjoy, because I did law in college, or at college. I just found it so boring. Like, it was literally the most boring. I'm just gonna go to lesson, do the work, and just leave. Like, it wasn't exciting. I was not happy to. But like, when it comes to, like, okay, I know that when you have a channel, the hardest and the most stressful thing is editing videos, but I actually enjoy it. It takes a long time, but It's actually fun. I find it fun. So I just want to do things that I actually enjoy, and I want to study media and like TV producing and stuff. So if you guys know someone or you study media, please let me know how it is so I can know what to expect. But I just know I'm going to enjoy it. Anyways, let me finish up the look and I'll be right back. Okay, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this chit chat get ready with me, and technically I'm not going anywhere. It's just because I have too much time on my hands. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed it, please smash the like button, and don't forget what I said. I said that you should suggest any YouTuber, any beauty YouTuber you know down below, so I can add them to my 7-day YouTuber beauty challenge, whatever I just made up. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated, and don't forget to drink your water and mind your business. Bye guys. And please subscribe to my channel because I have exciting contents coming. Bye guys.